Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. In today's video, I am excited to show you how you can easily upscale and enhance your low resolution images and videos using a powerful tool called WinX Video AI. Whether you have old photos that look grainy or videos that lack sharpness and detail, WinX Video AI can take them to the next level by enhancing them to 4K or even 8K resolution. This AI-powered software makes the process incredibly simple and efficient. So you don't have to be a tech expert to get amazing results. If you are ready to improve your media quality, keep watching. The download link of WinX Video AI is in the video description, so make sure to grab it. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. After you have downloaded and installed WinX Video AI from the link in the video description, go ahead and open the software. The first thing you will notice is the clean and user-friendly interface divided into a few main sections. Here you will see the Image AI option, and on the right there is a Video AI. Whether you want to enhance a photo or a video, this tool has you covered. The Image AI section is where you can upscale and enhance images, while the Video AI section allows you to increase video resolution, remove blur and noise, and even fix compression artifacts. Below you will also find additional tools like a video converter and video recorder. For today's demo, we will focus on the AI enhanced feature for both images and videos. To upscale a photo, simply upload the image you want to enhance, and you can preview the before and after results. Next, we will choose an AI model. We have options like General, Detail, Real Smooth, Anime and more. For this video, I will go with Real Smooth, perfect for enhancing the image while keeping it natural. In the model settings, you can choose how much you want to upscale the image, 2x, 3x or up to 4x, depending on your needs. In the resolution option, you can convert your videos into 4K resolution. In addition, you can enable the face restoration option, which is designed to enhance the details of faces specifically. This is an excellent feature for portraits or group photos, ensuring facial features look clear and sharp. Once you are happy with the results, head over to the export settings. You can choose the image format, either PNG or JPG, and adjust the image quality depending on your needs. When you are done, click the Run button and the enhanced image will be saved to your computer. It's that simple. Next up, let's check out the Video AI feature. This tool is perfect for enhancing videos to higher resolutions such as 4K and fixing issues like blur, noise, and even compression artifacts. Simply upload the video you want to enhance. Once uploaded, you will again see a before and after preview, just like with the images. Here you can choose from different AI models designed to improve various aspects of your video. Now let's move on the scale settings. Just like with the image, you can scale the video up to 4x, and you can also enhance the video resolution to 4K. Another amazing feature in WinX Video AI is the frame interpolation, which lets you increase the frame rate of your video by 2x, 3x or even 5x. If you have a video with a low frame rate, this can make them smoother. If your video is shaky, the stabilization feature is there to smooth things out. Once everything is set, click Run button, and just like that, your video will be enhanced and ready for viewing. That's how easy it is to enhance your low quality photos and videos with WinX Video AI. Whether you are working with old photos, low resolution videos, or just want to give your media a professional upgrade, this tool does an amazing job. From photo upscaling to frame interpolation, stabilization and 4K resolution enhancement, WinX Video AI is packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone dealing with media content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.